Family vlogs. I'm trying to put my boot on. Can someone help me? I can't put this on. My boot's stuck. It won't come on.
Take off my boot.
My boot, not my foot!
Oh my god, my boot, not my foot.
You're gonna have to do it yourself.
I can't.
So bring it down a notch, okay? Okay, we're just having a lot of fun. No, you weren't. We're just bringing it down one notch. Okay.
Yeah, come on, Jessica.
I saw this TikTok and it was like,
Really?
and it was like, oh, it's cold. I feel like
Almost like there's snow.
Wait. OOTD, guys.
I can't grab it.
So we're going snowshoeing today. Family bonding.
Wait, there's really good lighting here.
She's making fun of my Instagram photo that I posted 3 years ago today. I was in grade 9 and I did a pose like this. Oh. I thought it was really cool at the time. Can we go take Instagram photos?
No.
Go. We've been snowshoeing for 45 minutes. I got really hot, so I took off all my gloves and hats and jackets. How are you doing, Dad and Mom? Okay, great answer. Let's keep going. Should I vlog? Okay, guys, so Alicia, take over. Jessica walks really fast. Like, you can't see her, but like, she's already over there, which is really fast. I'm practically doing her capstone for her. So
She should like give me money or something.
So I'm actually more interesting than Jessica. I should start a YouTube channel. Just joking. I would get bullied by my grade. Oh my gosh, you're so fast. What are some fun things about me? I don't know. I'm not very interesting. Just joking. I first said no to coming to this, but then I like kind of felt guilty. So I was like, yeah, sure. Because then I would get, once everyone comes home, you really missed out. You really missed out. No! Okay. So I'm gonna stop the vlog now because you only get a tidbit of me.
Leave them wanting more.
Leave them wanting more, yeah. So you're gonna go back to boring old Jessica, I know. She's a little, nothing. She's a little, but you kind of just have to bear with her because she needs those views. Your favorite sister going out. Sorry if you were fooled by Alicia. She was trying to be the funny sister for a second. Can't take that away from me. That position has already been claimed.
You know what? Here's my conspiracy theory. She grew up being the funny sister. But I was climbing up to fame. I just hid it in the dark.
What are Mom and Dad? Yeah,
She
okay.
took all of the things from me. And once she's gonna leave soon, Mom and Dad are gonna realize I'm superior. I'm better.
Nope. I don't think so.
See, she's just hypocritical.
How am I
You have to
hypocritical?
have an open mind, Jessica.
You're the sister who is, you're the nicer one.
The nicer one. Oh, that's so sweet.
Lion!
I'm kidding. You are the nicer one.
Who's the nicer person? Me or Jessica?
I'm not gonna answer that.
No way we're gonna answer that. They know. Jessica, they just don't want to hurt your feelings.
No, I'm the funnier one, but Alicia's the nicer one.
Aww.
Alicia.
I'm the funnier and nicer person. No. So it's now lunchtime and there's a lot of birds around. So if I hold out my hand, I think a bird will come. Feed them some of your croissant. Woo! Alicia, the birds want your Here comes one. It's coming.
You're welcome.
Hey, don't eat them. They're gonna come back.
Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh, this is a real one.
They're gonna. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Alicia, you should take a piece of me. Come on,
No,
you
I hate birds.
have to do one. Mom, you should do it. Dad.
Off my boot. Oh my god, my boot, not my foot.